Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to everybody. This is the time for drawing. Let us begin. വരയ്ക്കാൻ പെൻസില്, സ്കെയില്, ഒരു കോയിന് കയ്യിൽ വയ്ക്കാം. Don't forget.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, welcome to our House of Knowledge, Markazul Uloom English Senior Secondary School.
This is our preschool. We are like butterflies here, enjoying our learning. Loving and caring mothers and ayahs are always there to help us. Just have a look at our little wonderful world.
Our school is one of the pioneer CBSE school in the Markazul district, founded by the Ansar Islam Charitable Trust Kondotty under the chief patronship of Abdurrahman Sahib in the year 1983.
We have a profound academic background with many meritorious and inspiring alumni worldwide.
I am Ashfaq Ali, an alumni of Markazul Uloom English Senior Secondary School. I am currently working as Global Investigations Advisor at Amazon.
ഞാൻ 5ാം ക്ലാസ് മുതൽ 10ാം ക്ലാസ് വരെ പഠിച്ചത് മർക്കസിലാണ്. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഞാനെന്നൊരു ഇൻഡിവിജ്വലിനെ ഒരുപാട് ബേസിക്സ് സെറ്റ് ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്നതും ഫോം ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്നതൊക്കെ ഞാൻ മർക്കസ് പഠിച്ചിരുന്ന സമയത്താണ്.
Alhamdulillah, we are molded with moral values and life skills.
Markaz gives an ambience to engage, enlighten, and empower our intellectual and substantial well-being by providing us an holistic education. We are embedded with very good infrastructure with smart classrooms, knowledge hub, libraries, and IT labs, science labs, and so on.
Success is where opportunity and preparation meets. Here we get training in swimming, karate, taekwondo, chess, handball, so on.
Marcus is truly a glittering star, bagging several trophies in Kids Fest, Sports Meet, English Fest, Green Army, MTSE winners, Kabaddi, handball, showed their skills in state junior football, 100% results in AISC and AISC examinations.
The school has been providing quality education from preschool to class 12. Even in this pandemic situation, the school has given wide opportunity in teaching and learning. We are giving YouTube classes as well as live classes simultaneously.
യെസ്, കണ്ടുവോ നിങ്ങളെ? മഴയോ മഴ 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 പെരുമഴ. Tiger, you look. Hi, my name is Cockroach.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The first method is fixed capital method and the second method is fluctuating capital method.
Cube, isn't it? Then how many faces in a cube? कालतुणर्नु कुलिचदल्ले.
उसके बाद हम आज पढ़ेंगे कहानी. आपको पसंद है कहानी?
Now look at this picture. What can you see there? ഏതൊക്കെ പക്ഷികളാണ് അവിടെ സ്ഥിരതാമസക്കാർ? നിങ്ങളൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ. നിങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരുപാട് പക്ഷികളെ കാണുന്നില്ലേ?
We are assessing our students through online exams and written exams. We give importance to co-curricular and creative activities.
All my friends want to try this.